gentlemen, today we will be talking about motion pictures. 2 movies, in fact. Barbie and The Sound of Freedom.
The Sound of Freedom is the greatest movie of all time. It's the highest grossing film of all time. It's made $1 trillion. That's a zillion crypto bucks, or 100 zillion rubles, or 3 zillion Putin and Trump NFTs.
The Sound of Freedom won 50 Oscars, 30 Emmys, 40 Grammys, 20 Tonys, and a Nobel Prize.
Please stop your lying. Please, no dear.
Fake news. You liberals don't want the truth. You hate everything that is good and great in America. You hate apple pie.
Oh dear, I love apple pie.
And our great president, Donald J. for Genius Trump.
That's right. If you go see Barbie, you will go to hell, and you're a paid souls actor, a liberal leftist comic, and hate America.
The Barbie movie doesn't have an end credit scene where Jim Caviezel comes out and lets you know how much they had to fight the liberals, the leftists, the evil leftists, to make this beautiful film. All the odds were against them, and they still made a masterpiece. It's a movie the liberals don't want you to see.
I cry and I see when Jim Caviezel gives up his pension to fight the liberal, leftist, communist, George Soros, Illuminati, paid cabal. Jim Caviezel is a very brave man.
Jim Caviezel is no brave for making a terrible movie with cheesy, horrible dialogue.
How dare you insult Jim the Weasel, you leftist, liberal snowflake!
By the way, I saw you watching Barbie.
How dare you slander me like that! You will pay for your blasphemy!
I have video. Roll the video.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I'm a Barbie girl. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I've been a fan of Ken and Barbie since I was a little boy. So I had to go see it. That was not me. That was an AI, George Soros, liberal, cloned actor, paid actor. That was not me.
These liberals are infiltrating all that is good and destroying America.
That's right. I was cloned into a George Soros, Barbie-loving, leftist, liberal, snowflake.
Such nonsense. That was you. That was no clone. That was you.
How dare you?
Fake news for time.
If you like cartoons, movies, books, music, I demand you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, be prepared. Subscribe or be prepared for doom. Do not resist. Do not resist. Subscribe.